What's up friends, welcome to the another new video of Tech and Some BD. In this new video we are going to share some rumored information about upcoming smartphone Samsung Galaxy S25. Friends, let's talk about some key features about this smartphone's processor is going to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th generation 4 chipset. Friends, there are some major innovation in its design and camera. About this, further information could come in our next video. This smartphone is going to launch in January 2025 and its expected price will be around $1,200 US. So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.